For those of you new to the channel, I'm Daniel and I specialize on 3D printing through mesh using holographic P-flat sheets to gain that really cool shine. Tonight we're going to be looking at two different meshes, both a white and a black mesh, to see how they affect the UV pattern. This is printed with 4 different UV reactive filaments, and I'm using a UV light. Get a little wider of a view here. I would love to know what one you like the most. It's a totally different look. We can see that blue dissipates much faster, and then the purple will go, and finally the green and the orange. All right, wishing everybody a good night. Happy printing.